he was 3. Yeah, I knew that. You okay? Yeah.
You're in Nyx's fortress. You new to him?
No, I know him.
Oh, why are you here?
He's his brother.
Oh. Why?
I don't know.
I'm so sorry for you.
No any way out?
No. My name's Abby.
Mine's Regal.
Friends?
Regal! Angel, you're here! Yes, I'm here. What happened? Nyx, he trapped me. Oh no! Man, no? Sorry, I can't. I'm magic proof.
Who's that?
Angel, my fairy horse.
But...
Yes, I know. They're only royal horses.
how did you get one?
I'm royal.
Really?
Really. Enough talk. Let's get out of here.
Agreed. Thank you.
That's what friends are for. Captured.
Too early! Ah!
Prometheus was captured. Oh no. Prometheus was captured. Oh no.
Oh my god! Action!
Prometheus was captured. Oh no. Prometheus was captured. Oh no. What'd she say?
What?
What'd she say? Prometheus was captured. Prometheus was captured. Oh no. Prometheus. How do you say his name again?
Ah!
Prometheus was captured. Prometheus was captured.
Prometheo! It's Prometheus, not Prometheo. Prometheo! Cheerio! Cheerio is captured!
Alright, I'm gonna do it again.
Okay.
Cheerio was captured.
Cheerio! Cheerio, good friends.
It's Prometheus.
His name is Cheerio now, everyone.